Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, let's go through the properties of logarithmic function one by one. Okay, so let's look at property number 1. If you have single log, okay, single log of mn, okay, you can actually write it as individual log. Okay, and the operation is addition. Okay, so for example, A, okay, you have single log 10 here, so you can write log x plus log y. Okay, since it's log 10, I can simply write log without the base. Okay. And then for B, log 5ab squared. This is the same as log a base 5 plus log b squared base 5. Okay, and finally, okay, this is the natural log, so we can write it as ln ln. Okay, so this is ln 2 plus ln pi plus ln j. Okay, now let's move on to property number 2. Once again, if you are having single log, but now it's m over n, then you can actually write it as individual log with the operation subtraction. Okay, for example, this is log a minus log b. Okay, once again, since this is log base 10, I can write it as log without the base. Okay, because this is understood to be log base 10. Okay, and then for B, this is log 5 base 1 over 2 minus log x base 1 over 2. Okay, now let's move on to the next property. You can try it on your own for C. Okay. Okay, in property 3, whenever you have power value here, you can actually bring the power in front. Okay, so basically the operation is multiplication. Okay, for example, you can bring t to the front, so this will become t times log 4 base 2. Okay, so t is any number. Okay, or for B, okay, you can bring the whole thing here, q minus 1 to the front. Okay, but be careful to use bracket ln p. Okay, because you can actually multiply for each. I mean q ln p minus ln p. Okay, that's why you must put bracket. And then property number 4, if you have single log with the condition 1 over something, okay, 1 over something, this will be equals to negative log m base b. Okay, if you have it in the form of 1 over something, so it will be negative side of it. Okay, negative. For example, here this is negative log 2.5. This is negative ln pi. Okay, and then in property 5, okay, log 1 base b, okay, log 1 with any base is the same as, since you can write 1 as b power 0, okay, and then you can bring 0 to the front, so everything will become 0, right? So this is the same as, okay, so in example A, this is equivalent to log 3 power 0 because it's 1 base 3, and since you can bring 0 to the front, so this is 0 times log 3 base 3. Since it's 0 times something, it's always 0. And then okay, for C you can do the same thing. So this is equals to log pi power 0 base pi. Okay, and this is equals to 0 times log pi base pi, and once again this will be 0. Okay, what about B? B is ln 1. Ln 1 is log base e. Ln means log base e. Okay, and since we have 1 here, we can write it as e power 0, and once again we can bring 0 to the front, and we will end up with 0. Okay, this is also 0. I think I'll stop first for property 6 until for property 9. I will do it in another video. Thank you so much.